Tap them up. You see the tub? I'm about to scrub it, scrub it, scrub. Yes, I am. I'm about to scrub it up. It's dirty. Look, 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 look. It needs scrubbing. You see all of that mess? You see? Yes, you do. It needs scrubbing, don't it? Leave me alone. I'm having fun. Let's take off the shower head so I can put down the tub. Turn on some water. Get a hold of the shower head. Turn on the water, hit the shower. And now I'm rinsing down the tub. You see the water is going, it's going. And I'm rinsing the tub up. Yes, I am. Because it needs a good old rinsing before I put the Comet in. There we go, nice and rinse. Now we turn off the water in there, and then we put this, no, we leave that down because we don't want to get wet. And how am I going to do this? I need my right hand. There we go. I need my right hand to hold the Comet, so I can't hold you with my right hand, so I'm going to hold you with my left hand and try to do this, even though I'm a righty. There's a tub. See the Comet's coming out. I'm sprinkling the Comet. We're almost out of Comet, man. We're almost out of Comet. Come on, come on, come out. Go, doggy, come out. I forgot the bleach. I gotta go get the bleach. We'll give you a tour through the house. This is a hallway, but it's messy right now because I just took all the stuff out of the bathroom. So now we're gonna go around this bucket I have. Go over here. We're gonna put this little thingy in the recycling bin. Oh, there's the bleach. That's my lovely bleach right here. It does wonders. Oh, and I need my Remy spray. It does wonders too.
I need my...
Now we're gonna go up in here into my bathroom and put this stuff down, and you gonna have to go down too, okay, mister? Really?
Yes.
We gotta come out. Carly gotta go potty, so I'll pause you for now.
Wait.